Welcome to the Davie County Public Library. We are a part of the NC Cardinal Consortium, a growing network of over 150 libraries throughout the state of North Carolina, and in this video we are going to show you how to manage your library account. First, open your browser and go to library.daviecounty.org. Now, go to My Account. Enter your library card number and your PIN number. Unless you set up a specific PIN number with your librarian, this should be the last 4 digits of the phone number you provided when you opened your library account. Select Login, and now you're on the home page for your account. Your dashboard is always visible and shows how many items are checked out on your account, how many are on hold or requested, how many are available for pickup, and how much you owe in fines. All of this information is also available in your Account Summary tab. Your Messages tab shows you if there are any notes regarding your account that your librarian has shared with you. Under your Items Checked Out tab, you can view and renew all of the items currently checked out on your account. To renew, just click on the box to the left of the title you wish to renew and then select Go. Please note that you will not be able to renew an item online if your library card is barred, blocked, or expired, you owe $5 or more in fines, someone else has requested your item, or if you have already renewed your item once for books and audiobooks. Please call the library if you cannot renew an item or if you have any questions. Your checkout history is only available if you have set up your account preferences to keep a record of the items you've checked out. We'll show you how to do this in a minute. Under your Holds tab, you can view all the items you've requested or just those currently available for pickup. You can also select holds to suspend, activate, or cancel. Suspending your holds allows you to temporarily leave the queue and later re-enter it at the same spot. For example, if you're second in line for a book and suspend your hold because you're going out of town for a few weeks, you can activate that hold when you get back and still be second in line. Canceling your hold removes your request entirely. Holds history is only available if you've set your account preferences to keep a record of the items you've requested. Your Account Preferences tab allows you to manage multiple aspects of your account. Under Personal Information, you can modify your username, password, and email address. Please be reassured that all information in a library account is treated as confidential, and this is enforced by state law. Under Notification Preferences, you can select how you want to be notified when one of your requested items becomes available. Please be sure to save any changes you make. Under Search and History Preferences, you can specify in which libraries you like to search for items, where you pick up items, and whether or not you'd like NC Cardinal to maintain a history of the items you've checked out or requested. Under My Lists Preferences, you can select how many lists and how many list items you view per page. Finally, My Lists tab allows you to create and manage lists of items that you may be interested in checking out from the library. You can name your list, select whether or not you'd like to share it with other library users, and add a brief description. Once you submit your list, you can head to the catalog and search for items to add to it. You can request items from any library in the consortium, and when they arrive at your home library, we will contact you in the method or methods you specified under Notification Preferences. As always, give us a call if you have any questions, and enjoy the convenience of managing your account anytime from anywhere.